Hello everyone, pro drum tech drummer and YouTube educator Kenny Sherritt's coming to you from the studio where I'm recording my most recent drum tuning videos for my YouTube channel with a situation that I've encountered in my last 2 studio sessions since I've been home from tour. Drummers that like a 13-inch tom on a snare stand. Now if you've ever done this or you ever experienced it on somebody else's gig, you know that clamping a stand on a tom kills the sustain and kills the tone. So I'm here to talk to you about a product that I actually love to death. It's the Snare booty shakers that you put on the stand, and I used it for both the sessions to solve the problem. It brought back the tone, it brought back the sustain, and gave you the kind of tom you wanted to hear with the look you wanted. That way the drummer didn't have to change their setup. It was awesome. So let's check out what it sounds like without the booty shakers, and then let's check it out with Solid. All right, so let's give this a few strokes with the stick. That's a good sounding tom as a DW, you know. But there's no real sustain. You can hear that wang of the tone. So now we got a set of booty shakers on the tom stand. Let's see the difference. Nice sustained tone coming at you. So even though there's a little bit more sustain you might have to control, that's really what you want in the recording, the tone. The sustain, you want the drum to jump out, because now when you play, it kicking. All right, so you heard it with your own ears. The difference is phenomenal. You free that tom up, you decouple it, bring the tone back in, and that way there's less subtractive EQ, and when you gotta do your mix, man, you just got a rich, pure, solid tom sound. If the worst you had to do is clean up the sustain a little, so be it. So if you put your tom on a snare stand, I cannot recommend TNR's Booty Shakers enough, y'all. Check them out.
Like, share, and subscribe.